guys, guess what? It's Cassie Twisted Trinkets, and I have a giant box full of pony goodness that I can't wait to show you. Alright, so finally made an order. It's been months. Yeah, so the pandemic hit, in March, and kind of threw off a whole lot of things. It got a little bit busy for me, like, immediately, because everyone switched to buying online, so that was great. It's kind of settled down since then, but you know, at the same time my kids were home from school. They are still home from school. I did not send them back in the fall. We're doing online, so I'm educating 3 kids online right now, though one of them, my teenager, is pretty good at doing it himself, but I have 2 little ones, so we spend the mornings doing school, and then I have a little bit more time in the afternoons and things to get some work done now. So I'm trying to get back into a routine, which has been super helpful. You know, when things change, it's really hard to find your motivation again sometimes. So I'm really glad that I'm feeling like I'm setting goals and like making progress. It feels really good. So that being said, I have been on the lookout for a long time for a certain set, and that happens to be what's in this box. It's not perfect. There was some damage, but I am really excited to get it at a much lower price because I wasn't ready to spend like $300 on it. So let's see what we got. Can you see that? Okay, so a little backstory. I have some pictures of me getting this set for, I believe it was my 3rd Christmas when I was little. So if I find them, I will put them on the video somewhere, maybe at the end. So we got a little damage on the box, which was in the listing, but that's pretty cool to actually have the box. Okay. This was the cool part to me. I can't wait. It had the bubbles. Alright. This poor box. A little worse for wear, but you know, what can you expect from something that's paper, really? That's that old. Oh. Alright. What do we got? The waterfall! Oh, wow! You know, it looks pretty good, actually. So basically, there is a small crack right in here on the sun. So that's what's wrong with it, and that's why it was cheaper. But I'm so excited! I've been after that for a while. And it comes with, I think it has pretty much everything. It looks like the only thing missing I don't see here is probably instructions, which, just some instructions. The sponge, I mean, even the sponge, like, is in really nice, like, it's not all yellow, really. It's in good shape. And we've got some bubbles. Can't believe, I can't believe it still has bubbles. And it only has a little water damage on the label. That's crazy. It's got the pony bubbles! Are you kidding me? I can't believe it still has that. Let's see, how's Sprinkles looking? We have a Sprinkles already that's clean that I added to my collection in hopes of getting this. I just didn't really expect it to happen quite so fast. So she's hanging out up on the shelf ready to go. This one's got a bit of tail frizz. And overall, she's in good shape. But I already have a really nice one. In fact, I will show you my other one. So this is the girl that I'll be keeping. And comparatively, she's got a lot more of a purple. She's been through the sun fading process already, where this one's a little bit more like of a yellowish tint because she's faded and gotten a little yellowed over time. Anyway, so I'm so excited she's gonna have her little set. I can't wait. So I'll have to get that. I can't believe I finally got it back and it had the bubbles. Are you kidding me right now? This is great. We'll just be able to put this in front of the little boo-boo on the sun and you'll never know it's there when it's on the shelf. I'm so excited to have this back. Like, I can't even... Oh, hello. Hi guys, this is Bella. She decides to make herself at home sometimes. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, back off my duck. Can I help you? Bella? You can say hello? Hi. Why are you licking it? What can I do for you? Are you deprived? Do you need attention? Hmm? I think she's excited about the pony stuff too. Anyway, hey, stay off my camera stuff. Thanks. Thanks for that. Oh, kitty cat. You're gonna steal the show. Hello. Yes. Yes, hi kitty kitty. Seriously, we got kids. Don't they want to love on you? Huh? Let me just roll around on your table. Well guys, I'm super excited about this set. I can't wait to get it cleaned up and get it displayed. I really hope you guys are all doing well right now with all the changes that have been going on, and I'm super excited to be back and kind of back in the routine so I can be sharing with you guys more regularly. Oh my gosh. Anyways guys, cat intrusions and all, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can see you guys again next time. Bye!